Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Aaron, with Evolution Daily, and I'm out here in Miami South Beach right now, finally escaping the brutal winters that are going on in Columbus, Ohio. Jesus Christ. I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I think is going to greatly help not only your game, but just your overall life, your life experience, your experience on this fucking planet. We're all lost, we're all confused. Life is hard, and you know, my goal with Evolution Daily really is just to help you guys out in any way that I possibly can. So I read a book called How to Make People Like You in 90 Seconds or Less by Nicholas Boothman. And in this book, Nicholas Boothman, he talks about being the sun, okay? And what he means by that is he means giving out warmth, light, positivity, and energy to people around you. So he gives a story in the book where he talks about how he's walking around with his aunt or his grandma or something like that, and they're walking around, and he said to this figure, he said, why is it that some people look so angry and so defeated and others don't? And she responded by explaining that some people have a sunny disposition, okay? And I'm sure you can relate to this. You know, I'm sure you can relate to this on a personal level where you think to yourself, there's been days where you're kind of going through the life and you're fucking bop, 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 here we go, it's good to be alive. And you have other days, and I have these days as well, where you're down, man. You're just not feeling good, right? You're closed in, and it doesn't feel good. And you see people like this throughout your day-to-day life. Now, in my opinion, okay, and this is just my opinion, I don't know things, you know, I'm just a human just like you, and I'm speculating as I live this life and I live out this experience as well. In my opinion, you will always be able to seize more opportunities, have better opportunities, and live a happier and healthier life by radiating this positivity that I'm talking about here. So being the sun. Now, to bring it all together and take it to Cold Approach Pickup, we just had, my cameraman and I, who's holding the camera right now, we just had an interaction with a couple of women, okay? And this interaction wasn't a Cold Approach Pickup, really, it wasn't. This interaction was a conversation. That's what that was. We went up to these girls and they were, well, these women, they were 32, 33 probably, and we just started talking all about the Bitcoin conference that's in town right now and where they're from and where we're from and yada, yada, yada. Now, did I get any DTF vibe from them at all? No. It just wasn't, they weren't the type of girls that I felt would come out to the club with us tonight or even go on an instant date with us right now, and if they did, it would be platonic and waste of time, basically, right? These two human beings were a waste of my time. But what did we do? We kept talking. We kept joking with them. We kept hanging out with them a little bit. They're picking at us, we're picking at them. And what is the point of doing that? The point of doing that is it loosens you up, okay? It gets you going. So I talked to so many of you guys that are out doing day game, and you say to me, every once in a while, Aaron, I will walk around for 2 hours in a mall. 2 hours I'm walking around a mall, and I don't make a single cold approach, okay? And if I had a sketch pad and a pencil and a pen and I had to draw you, I would draw you with a stone cold face. Your body language is definitely not fucking that of a high value, confident guy. You're not acting like Ryan Gosling, that's for goddamn sure, okay? You're walking around with closed off body language, closed off facial expressions. You are not radiating that positive energy. The same way that we were with these two girls that we were just talking to, okay? And what that did is that loosened me up for the next interaction. So we came straight over here to record this video. And truthfully, I mean, this is a very good video. I can tell by the way that it's flowing right now and the way my thoughts are sort of, you know, being verbalized. This is a good video. And the video maybe wouldn't have been as good if we didn't just have this platonic interaction with these girls, okay? What I'm trying to get across to you in this video is a couple of different points. One, focus on being that warm source of energy to the world around you, okay? Another very, very important caveat here is that the sun gives warmth indiscriminately, meaning the sun doesn't decide, hey, fuck you, Germany, I'm gonna give this sun to Poland, okay? In the same way that you shouldn't be out throughout the world, hey, fuck you, every dude and unattractive girl in the world, and hello, Miss Beautiful, my perfect 10. You need to be walking through life, saying hi to people. You know, there's the older, unattractive woman at the counter at the 7-Eleven, and you spark up a little conversation. Hey, how you been lately? She's like a little shocked. She's a little pulled back because she's so used to people just trying to be in and out. Give me my coffee. Give me my coffee. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. that just give me the coffee, give me the coffee. Go out, radiate the warmth, the same warmth from the sun that's beaming down on my beautiful fucking face right now. Go out, give warmth and energy to the world. And on a more very practical cold approach pickup level here, when you go out to do cold approach pickup, not every single interaction has to be a cold approach pickup. I'm always advocating hit and runs. Walking by a girl and just saying, hey, I really like your shirt. And she goes, oh, thank you. Walking by a girl, hey, I really like your dress. Walking by a girl, hey, how's it going? Just saying hello to people. Going out, getting used to looking a pretty girl in the eyes, and actually saying some words. Because again, when you go from 0 to 100 real quick, it doesn't always work out, okay? So you go from not talking to a single human being to, oh, now I'm gonna go do this cold approach, as opposed to going from cold to warm to hot by just saying hello to some people. You know, I always say, you guys, you know, you have the option. You have the option. You can go up and you can just say, hey, excuse me, do you know where the Starbucks is? She says, yeah, it's right down there. And you say, okay, thank you. And you walk on. You move on with your life. It's not the end of the world, right? Again, just warming up, revving up that engine, and starting to harvest in on that warm energy and being the sun. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video helps you out to live not only a better life involving pickup, dating, self-development, but just overall a healthier and happier life in general. Smash that subscribe button or else I'll fucking kill you.